Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our online maths class. Okay, any idea what has been discussed in our previous class? Yes, in our previous class we have discussed about the place value of decimals, isn't it? I hope all of you have drawn the place value chart in your notebook. Have you drawn? Okay, please give the Roman number 5 for that place value chart. Give the number 5, Roman number 5 for that place value chart. Okay. Yes, and we know how to give place values to each of the digits of a decimal number, isn't it? We know that well. Okay, I think we have done problem A. So let's start doing B. Okay, write neatly. Question number B. The question number is 75 point. Question is 75.0592. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to write we have to find out the place value of each of the digits. Okay, each of the digits in this number. So for that, write down 75.0592 is our given number, isn't it? So let's start with the whole number part. Which is the whole number part in this number? Yes, whole number part is 75. Which is the decimal part? 0.0 point or point is there in the decimal part. So the decimal part is 0592. Can we say, can we read this number as 75.592? Can we say? No, isn't it? After the decimal point, we have to name the digits one by one. Okay. Okay, now let's try to answer. Before start answering, it's better to give the, denote the places upon the digits, isn't it? It's better to denote or write the places upon the digits. So we 5 in the whole number part 75, digit 5 is on which place? Yes, 5 is in 1st place, 7 is in 10th place. Okay, what about 0? After the decimal point, which is the place? Is there any 1th place? Is there any 1th place? Yeah, no, there is no 1th place. So, which is the first place after the decimal point? Yes, it is 10th place. And how to denote 10th place? Yes, small letter T, isn't it? There is no 1th place. After the decimal point, the first place is 10th place and it is denoted by small letter T. And then we have, yes, hundreds place. Then we have, yes, thousands place. Then we have 10,000 place, TTH. Okay, now can we write the place values? Can we mark the place values? Yes, 5 is in 1's place means its place value is 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Okay, 7 is in 10th place. So what is the place value of 7? 7 into 10th place means 10. 7 into 10 is equal to 70. Okay, so the whole number part over. Now let's begin with the decimal part. Let's start doing the decimal part. Which is the first digit on the decimal part? 0. What is 0 is in which place? Yes, here 0 is in 10th place. Whatever it be, no problem. 0, or if 0 is the digit, its place value is 0. No need to do further. If 0 is the digit, without any doubt, we can say its place value is 0. Okay. Now, let's find out the place value of 5. 5 is in which place? Can you say 5 is in which place? Yes, 5 is in hundredth place. So, what would be its place value? 5 into 100. So, 5 into, yes, 5 into 100 or 5 into 1 by 100. Yes, it is 5 into 1 by 100, isn't it? 5 is in hundredth place. Hundredth place. So, 5 into 1 by 100. What is 5 into 1 by 100? Yeah, 5 by 100. What would be the answer here? How many decimal places would be there in the answer? How many decimal places would be there in the answer? Yes, there would be 2 decimal places. Why? Why? Yes, in 100 there are 2 zeros. In 100 there are 2 zeros. So in the answer there would be 2 decimal places. So we have been given only 1 digit. That is written here 5. And for the second place we had to put 0. So 0.05 is the answer. Instead of writing 0.05 we can write how? Yes, we can write 0.05, isn't it? Good. So which is the place value of 5? 0.05 is the place value of 5. Okay, understood? Now let's try to find out the place value of 9. 9 is in which place? Yes, 9 is in thousands place. So, how to find out the place value of 9? 9 into what? 9 into 1000 or 9 into 1 by 1000. What we have to do? Yes, 9 into 1 by 1000. Why? Why? Yes, 9 is in thousands place. So, 9 into 1 by 1000, isn't it? So, that's equal to, what is 9 into 1 by 1000 means what? 9 into 1 by 1000 means what? Yes, is equal to 9 by 1000. Isn't it? 9 by 1000. What is the answer? 9 by 1000 means what? How many decimal places would be there in the answer? How many decimal places would be there in the answer? Yes, surely there would be 3 decimal places. Why? Yes, in thousand, we are dividing by 1000, and in 1000 there are how many zeros? Yeah, in 1000 there are 3 zeros. So surely there would be 3 decimal places in the answer. But we have been given only one digit 9. So that has to be written. So for the other two places, in the 3, only one is given. So for the other two places we have to put zeros. So the answer is 0.009. Instead of writing 0.009, we can write, yes, 0.009. So this is the answer. This is the place value of 9. Got it? Okay, now let's try to find out the place value of 2. 2 is in which place? Yeah, 2 is in 10,000 place. So for finding out the place value of 2, what we have to do? Yes, we have to multiply 2 with what? 10,000 or 1 by 10,000. What is the answer? Yeah, it has to be multiplied with 1 by 10,000. Okay, so that's equal to 1 by 10,000 means 2 into 1 by 10,000 means 2 by 10,000. That we all know. Here, due to the lack of space, I am not writing that. You have to write that step also. 2 into 1 by 10,000 means 2 by 10,000, isn't it? So, how many decimal places would be there in the answer in 2 by 10,000? 2 by 10,000. How many decimal places would be there? In 10,000, there are how many zeros? 4 zeros. So, in the answer, there should be 4 decimal places. But here we have been given only one digit 2, isn't it? 4 decimal places should be there, but we have only one digit with us. So for the rest of the 3 places, we have to put what? Yes, we have to put zeros. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Yes. So this is the required answer. This is the place value of 2. Have you understood how to do this? Is it clear? Yeah. Okay. Now let's try one more. After that, you will be given the homework. Okay. One more also let's try. After that, you have to do the homework. Yes. Try C. See, the question is 5.6944. 5.6944. Okay. Yes. Try to do the answer. Answer. Which is the number? Yeah, the number is 5.6944. First, what we have to do? Yes, it is better to mark the places or places upon the digits. Okay, it is better to mark the places. 5. The whole number part is 5 here, isn't it? Which is the decimal part? Yes, decimal part is 6944. Whole number part is 5 and decimal part is 6944. Yes. So can we start writing? Yeah, 5 is on which place? 5 is in one place, only one digit. Then 6 is in which place? Which is the first place after the decimal point? Is it one place? No, it is 10th. It is 10th place. 10th place. After the decimal point, first place is not one place. It is not one place. What is it? It is 10th place. It is 10th place. Yes. So 6 is in which place? Yes, 6 is in 10th place. It is denoted by the symbol T, isn't it? 9 is in which place? Yes, hundreds, small letter H. 4 is in which place? Yes, thousands, TH, small letter. And another 4 is in which place? 10,000s. TTH, small letter. Okay. Now can we start doing finding out the place values? Can we start? Yeah, let's begin with the whole number. Only one whole number is here. 5. 5 is in which place? Yeah, 5 is in 1's place. So 5 into 1, the place value of 5 is 5 itself. Okay. Now let's start doing the decimal part. Here, which is the first digit after the decimal? 6. 6 is in which place? Yes, tens place, not one place. It is in tens place. So for finding out the place value of 6, what we have to do? Yes, we have to multiply 6 with 10 or 1 by 10. What is it? Yes, it should be, since it is the decimal part, 6 has to be multiplied with 1 by 10, isn't it? 1 by 10. 6 into 1 by 10 means what? 6 by 10. Okay. Now, can you say how many decimal places would be there in the answer 6 by 10? How many decimal places would be there? Yes, there should be only one decimal place. Why? In 10, there is only 1 0. So, only one decimal place would be there in the answer. So, we have been given one digit and decimal place. So, instead of 0.6, we can write 0.6. This is the place value of 6. Okay, understood? Now, let's find out the place value of next digit. Which is the next digit? Yes, 9 is the next digit. 9 is in which place? Yes, 9 is in hundreds place. So, for finding out the place value of 9, we have to multiply 9 with what? 100 or 1 by 100? Yes, 9 has to be multiplied with 1 by 100, isn't it? 9 into 1 by 100 means? Yes, 9 by 100, isn't it? So, in the answer, how many decimal places would be there? In the answer of 9 by 100, how many decimal places would be there? Yes, 2 decimal places. In 100, there are 2 zeros. So, obviously, in the answer, there would be 2 decimal places. But we have been given only one digit 9 here. So, for the rest of the one place, we had to put 0. So, the answer is 0.09. Instead of 0.09, we can write 0.09. So, this is the place value of 9. Okay. Next, we have to find out the place value of 4. Okay. First 4. 4 is in which place? 4 is in which place? Yes, 4 is in thousands place. So, for finding out the place value of 4, we have to multiply 4 with 1000 or 1 by 1000. Yeah, since 4 is in the decimal part, we have to multiply 4 with 1 by 1000. So, place value of 4 is equal to 4 into 1 by 1000. You please write neatly. Due to the lack of space, I am doing like this. Okay. 4 into 1 by 1000. Okay. Yes. What is 4 into 1 by 1000? Yeah, it is 4 by 1000. Okay. Yes. In the answer, how many decimal places would be there in the answer of 4 by 1000? Yes. In 1000, there are 3 zeros. So, 3 decimal places would be there in the answer or should be there in the answer. So, instead of this, we can write what? 4 only is given, and for the rest of the, after 3 decimal places, only 1 is given. So, for the rest of the 2 places, we had to put a 0. So, 1, 2, point. This is the answer. Instead of 0.004, we can write 0.004. So, 0.004 is the place value of what? Yes, place value of first 4. Now, let's find out the place value of this 4. The second 4 is in which place? 10,000 place. So, its place value is 4 into 10,000 or 1 by 10,000? Yes, 1 by 10,000 decimal part, isn't it? So, this is equal to 4 by 10,000. That unfortunately, due to the lack of space, I couldn't write it here. You please write in your notebook. 4 by 10,000 would be the answer of 4 into 1 by 10,000. In 4 by 10,000, how many decimal places would be there in 4 by 10,000? Yes, in 10,000 there are 4 zeros, so 4 decimal places, isn't it? But we have been given only one digit 4 here. So out of 4, 1 only is given. So for the rest of the 3 places, we have to put zeros, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. Point. So 0.004 is the answer. sorry, 0.0004 is the answer. Instead of 0.0004, we can write 0.0004. Okay, this is the answer of the question. Have you understood? Okay, hope you have understood the way or method for finding out the place values of each of the digits. Have you understood? Any doubt? Yes, no doubt. Isn't it good? So let's try to do the homeworks. D, E, F are homeworks. D, the question is 34.752. Homework. E, the question is 15.59. Homework. F, the question is 62.341. This is also homework. Very easy, isn't it? Very easy. Try to do today itself. Okay. Now, let's move on to another concept named expanded form. Expanded form. Okay. The next topic is expanded form of decimals. Expanded form of decimals. Don't write, okay? After writing the homeworks, noting down the homeworks, just listen carefully. Expanded form of decimals. Expanded form of decimals means, suppose the decimal is 2.46. What we have to do is that the place values of each of the digits has to be separated by plus sign. Place values of each of the digits has to be separated by plus sign. That is the expanded form. That's all. Place values of each of the digits has to be separated by plus sign. That okay. Before that, let me explain what is the place value of 361. Here, what we have to do for finding the place value, no? Sorry, what is the expanded form of 361? For finding this, we have to find out the place values of each of the digits, and they are separated by plus sign. That means place value of 3 is 300 plus place value of 6 is 60 plus place value of 1 is 10. Sorry, 1 is 1. This is the expanded form. This is the expanded form of 361. Similarly, for finding out the expanded form of a decimal number, what we have to do? We have to find out the place values of each of the digits, and they have to be separated by plus sign. That means, which is the place value of 2, whole number 2 itself, plus which is the place value of first decimal number 4, yes, 0.4, which is the place value of 6, plus 0.06. This is the expanded form. That's all. That's all. Okay. Yes. Write down. So, very easy, isn't it? What is the expanded form of? Let me see whether you are intelligent or not. You are all are very bright children. I know that. Okay. Bright student. Okay. What is the expanded form of 16.452? In mind itself, we can do. No need to find out the place values of each of the digits separately. That can be done in mind itself. Okay. So, first write 1, place value of 1, 10, then place value of 6, 6, plus place value of 4, yes, 0.4, isn't it? Plus place value of 5, 0.05, plus place value of 2, 0.002. Except to all other places zeros. Like that also you can think in mind. Okay, is it clear? Have you understood? So, what would be the place value of 315.2471? Quickly try to say, what is the place value of 3 whole number parts? So 300, isn't it? What is the place value of 1? Yes, 10's place. So 10. What is the place value of 5? 5, 1's place, isn't it? Decimal part, place value of 2, 0.2. Place value of 4, second place, 0.04. Place value of 7, third place, plus 0.007. Plus place value of last digit, fourth place, 0.0001. This is the place value of this given number. Have you understood how to write the place value? Yes. This can be done in mind itself, but the actual step is what? We are finding out the place values of we are finding out the place values of each of the digits and separate them by plus sign. Separate them by plus sign. That is what is doing here, but it can be done in mind. Okay, yes. So have you marked the place value chart as Roman number 5? Please mark the place value chart as Roman number 5 and write down Roman number 6. Expanded form of decimals. Expanded form of decimals. Expanded form of decimals. Okay. For finding out the okay, 1 minute, let me write. Okay. For finding out the expanded form of a decimal number, for finding out the expanded form of a decimal number, for finding out the expanded form of a decimal number, semicolon, the place values of each of its digits, the place values of each of its digits, the place value of each of its digits, not values, place value of each of its digits has to be separated by place value of each of its digits has to be separated by the plus sign, has to be separated by the plus sign, has to be separated by the plus, within single inverted comma, please write plus, has to be separated by the plus sign. This is what is doing there, but we can do this actually in mind. This can be done in mind itself. Okay. So for finding out the expanded form of a decimal number, we have to find out the place value of each of the digits, and it has to be separated by plus sign. Each of the digits, and they have to be separated by, not has to be, place value of each of the digits have to be separated by plus sign. You please correct it. Okay, otherwise also no problem. This is not the English subject, it's maths. Okay. Okay, now let's try to do the problem. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. Write the question. Write the following decimal numbers. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. First question A. 3.45. How to write? Directly write the answer. Which is the place value of 3? If you want, you can write, if you want only, otherwise not needed. If you want, you can write mark the places upon the digits. 1's place, this is 10's place, 100's place. So place value of 3 is 3 plus place value of 4, 0.4 plus place value of 5, 0.05. This is the answer. If you want only, otherwise you can do directly. If you can do directly, that's better. Okay, B, the question is 27.462. What is the expanded form? 7 ones place, 2 tens place, 4 tens place, 6 hundreds place, 2 thousands place. Isn't it? So expanded form. Place value of 2, 20. Plus place value of 7, 7 itself. Place value of 4, 0.4. Place value of 6, 0.06. Plus place value of 2, 0.002. So this is the required answer. Okay. Now write down C. C, the question is 539.622. 539. C, the question is C, 539.6225. 6225. What is the answer? Okay, if you want, those who want can mark the places upon the digits. 1's place, 3 is in 10's place, 5 is in which place? 100's place. Okay, 6. Okay, now let's consider the decimal part. 6 is in which place? Yeah, 6 is in 10's place. 2, yeah, 100's place. Next 2, yes, 1000's place. Next 5, 10,000's place, isn't it? Okay, what is the place value of 5? First 5, 500. Plus 3, yes, 30. Plus 9, 1's place, 9 itself. Now consider the decimal part. Which is the place value of 6? Yes, 0.6. Which is the place value of 2? 0.02, isn't it? 2 decimal places. Second place in the decimal part. Plus third, next 2 place value, third place in the decimal part. So 3 decimal places, 002. Plus next comes 5. Fourth place in the decimal part. That means 4 decimal places, 0.0005. This is the required expanded form. Got it? This is the required expanded form. Now let's try to write down D. D, the question is, have you understood how to write the expanded form? Is it clear? Okay, now write down D. The question is 8,350 point, sorry, not plus, point 9340. 9304. 9304. Okay. Now let's find out the expanded form of this. Let's try to find out the expanded form of this. Okay, let's let's mark the places upon the digits. 0, 1's place. 5 in the whole number part, 10th place. 3, 100th place. 8, which place? Yes, 8 is in thousands place, isn't it? 8 is in thousands place. What about the decimal part? First digit 9 is in which place? Yes, tens place. 3, 100th place. 0, yes, thousands place. And 4, 10,000 place, isn't it? Okay, now can we write the expanded form? Can you say the expanded form without any delay? Can you say? Yes, 8 is in thousands place means expanded form, place value of 8 is, yeah, 8,000. 3 is in hundreds place means place value of 3 is, yes, 300, isn't it? 5 is in tens place means place value of 5 is 50, isn't it? 0 is in ones place. 0 wherever it is, no problem. What is the place value of 0 everywhere? Everywhere the place value of 0 is 0. Okay. Plus 0. Plus, now whole number part over. Now consider the decimal part, which is the first place. Tens place. 9 is the digit on tens place. So place value of 9. Yes, 0.9. First place in the decimal part. So 1 decimal place. Now 3. Next comes 3. Second place in the decimal part. 100th place. So 2 decimal places, 0.03. Next comes 0. Wherever it is, no problem. Always the place value 0 is what? Place value of 0 is always 0. So 0 plus. Now comes 4, the fourth digit in the decimal part. So 4 decimal places. Fourth digit in the decimal part. First digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit. The fourth digit. 4 is the fourth digit in the decimal part. So 4 decimal places. That means what is the place value? 0.0004. Isn't it? Have you understood how to write the expanded form of a given decimal number? Is it clear? Okay, now note down the homeworks of this session. Note down the homeworks of this session. E, F, G are homeworks. E, the number is 39.45. F, 684.943. G, 12.5063. 3 homeworks are there. Very easy. Is it? How do you feel? Is it difficult or easy? Yes, very easy, isn't it? So try to do the homework today itself. Hope you understood the session well. Thank you. Have a nice day.